Morning to all of you. I am again with all of you with the topic probability, and in the previous topic we discussed some definitions of different terms and sample space was discussed. Today I am again going to start with the sample space. I have given some homework to you to write down the sample space of tossing a coin 4 times. Have you done it? I hope you have done it. But let us discuss the sample space when the coin is tossed 4 times. Total outcomes are 2 raised to the power 4 means 16. Let us try to write down these 16 elements of the sample space. Head, 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 head. One even. Head, 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 tail. Head, head, tail, head. Head, tail, head, tail. We can write here in similarity head. Then tail, head, head, head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are writing again with 2 displacement. Head, head, tail, tail. Head, tail, tail, head. Tail, tail, head, head. Tail, head, tail, head. Head, tail, head, tail. Let us see how many elements we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 elements are remaining. Let us try. Now begin with the tail elements. Tail, tail, tail. All the 4 tails. Then tail, 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 head. Then tail, tail, head, tail. Then tail, head, tail, tail. Head, tail, tail, tail. Count down the cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 1 is remaining. Then that will be tail, head, head, tail. This element is not written. Hence these are 16 sample space when we toss the coin 4 times. You write yourself at home once again and try this. This is a very good example of sample space of tossing the coin 4 times. As we nowadays staying at home are playing with the Ludo and all other games and using the die, I think more than 60 or 70% students are using the game this die, and this is having 6 faces. One on the first phase is 1 written, second 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we toss the die, then the possible outcome are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the faces are like this: 1, 2 dots. You play at home with this die 3, 4, 5 and 6. You are very much familiar with this die, and these are the 6 faces of the die, and the sample space of in throwing a die once are 6. When we throw the die twice, get 2 dice simultaneously, then what will happen? Let us see. This is very interesting, and how to write the sample space when 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Let us try with the sample space of throwing 2 dice simultaneously. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 1 6 means first die is showing 1, second die can got 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly, when first die is showing 2, second die may 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly, 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. We got 36 total possible outcomes. Means in throwing die once, 6 raised to the power 1 6 cases. When we throw die twice, 6 raised to the power 2 32 cases, 36 cases. And if we throw the die 3 times, then total possible outcomes will be 6 raised to the power 3 216. Let us see how we can write this sample space, starting with the first one, then writing down all the 6 cases, and starting with 2, then write down the 6 cases, with 3 4 5 6, then we can easily get the 36 cases. We see that there are 6 cases showing same number on both the dice, and this sample space will be used when we will discuss the questions on probability. Now let us discuss some more sample spaces. One another question is, a coin is tossed. If it shows head, first condition is coin is tossed, shows head. We draw a ball from a bag containing 3 blue and 4 white. Balls, and if it shows tail, सेकंड केस है कि टेल आता है, तो क्या करते हैं हम, वी थ्रो ए डाई. व्हाट इज द सैंपल स्पेस ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट? डाई इज थ्रोन. लेट अस सी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी थ्रो द coin, we toss the coin. First sample space is throwing the coin. Possible outcomes are, just imagine, just think, when we throw the coin, possible outcomes are head or tail. And the statement says that when head comes, we draw a ball from the bag containing 3 blue and 4 white balls. So let us try to write down the sample space. Let us assume that this is the sample space. Head comes, then there are 3 blue and 4 white. Like blue balls are represented as B1, B2, B3, and white balls are W1, W2, W3, W4. Then what happens? Head comes, B1 come, or head B2, or head B3, or head W1, or head W2, or head W3, or head W4. तो हेड आए 3 में से कोई भी ब्लू बॉल आ सकती है, या हेड आए 4 में से कोई भी व्हाइट बॉल आ सकती है. Second case, if head doesn't appear, tail comes, then what happens? Die is thrown. What are the possible outcomes of the die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6. This is the required sample space of the experiment. Similarly, we can find the sample space of different experiments which are in probability are known as the random accident. And students, we will discuss with the pack of cards game. Pack of cards. This is very interesting. Nowadays we are playing cards at home due to lockdown. So pack of cards, two colors, black and red. Total cards 52, isn't right? And black cards are 26. Red cards are also 26. And four suits. Spade, club, diamond, spade are 13, club 13, diamond 13 and heart 13. ये हुक्म क्या लाती है? क्लब चिड़ी को बोलते हैं, डायमंड पान को, डायमंड ईंट को बोलते हैं और हार्ट पान को बोलते हैं. 13 हुक्म के पत्ते होते हैं, 13 क्लब के, 13 डायमंड के और 13 ईंट के पत्ते. इस प्रकार 52 कार्ड्स पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स में होते हैं और ये आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी में बहुत यूज होने वाला है. एंड फेस कार्ड्स आर फेस कार्ड्स मतलब फोटो वाले, पिक्चर वाले. जैक, गुलाम जिसको आप बोलते हो, जे लिखा होता है. क्वीन, रानी, बेगम एंड किंग, बादशाह. तो गुलाम कितने होते हैं? लाइक 4. क्वीन 4 and king 4. Total face cards are 12. So these are some things which will be used when we will write the sample space for cards. Students, sample space for cards is very difficult to write down. Let us discuss one example. When we draw a card from a well-spread pack of cards, then possible outcomes are 52C1. means 52 cases. Why? Well, every card is eligible for drawing. Any card can be drawn, and when we draw one card, then 52 cases are available. And we draw two cards. Then how can we draw two cards? This is 52C2. It means 52 into 51 on 2 into 1. 26. Means 26 into 51. 26 into 51 multiply. We multiply this. This is 1, 3, 2, 6 cases. So this is how we can find the sample space for the playing cards. So I think the concept of sample space is now clear. In the next lecture, we will discuss some more concept of sample space, and further we will proceed to solve the questions on probability. I hope you will do your homework and write down some sample space from your notebooks and from your books, and this will be very fruitful in the future questions of the probability. Stay home. Stay healthy. Thank you. Thank you very much.